Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that has been changing lives and empowering individuals all around the world: network marketing. Network marketing, often referred to as multi-level marketing or MLM, is a unique business model that has gained immense popularity due to its potential for personal growth, financial success, and fostering a sense of community. I'm going to highlight 5 important facts about this profession. Number 1. Flexibility and independence. One of the most appealing aspects of network marketing is the flexibility it offers. You're not tied to a fixed 9-to-5 schedule or a specific location. You can work from the comfort of your home, choose your hours, and even build your business while pursuing other passions. Number 2. Low initial investment. Starting a traditional business can be financially difficult, but network marketing often requires a relatively low initial investment. This accessibility allows individuals from diverse backgrounds to enter the entrepreneurial world without breaking the bank. Number 3. Personal development. Network marketing isn't just about selling products. It is also about personal development. You will have access to training programs, mentorship, and resources that empower you to improve your communication, leadership, and time management skills. Number 4. Leveraging the power of relationships. At the heart of network marketing is building relationships. You are not just selling products, you are sharing solutions with friends, family, and others. This genuine approach fosters trust and often leads to long-lasting connections. Number 5. Unlimited income potential. Now, let's talk about the exciting part. Income potential. Network marketing allows you to earn not only from your own efforts, but also from the efforts of your team. As you help others succeed, your income can grow exponentially. So, if you are intrigued by the world of network marketing and its potential for personal financial growth, I encourage you to take the first step. If you are ready to learn more, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more in-depth videos about network marketing. Whether you are a curious beginner or someone looking to engage their existing network marketing skills, we are here to guide you. Remember, network marketing isn't just about selling products. It is about building a brighter future for yourself and those around you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working toward your goals. See you in the next video.